Wow. Hello! So, today is October 16. And this is our third day here in Palawan. We are currently here in El Nido. And we're still here at our inn. And we're just waiting for our tour to arrive. It's currently 8:50, some 8:40, 8:50, and the tour should pick us up at 8:30 to 9 a.m. So ayan, hinihintay na lang namin sila. Samu is eating his breakfast. I already ate mine kanina. So yeah.
Those are the small lagoon, big lagoon, Shimizu Island, Secret Lagoon, and Seven Commando Beach. Okay? So, in every stop, we will give you a time limit to manage our time. Okay? Maybe minimum of 40 to 45 minutes in every stop. Okay, and we will be taking our lunch in our third stop. Okay? At 4 p.m.
Not 4 p.m.
Just kidding. Okay? Of course, around 12 p.m. So there's also kayak rentals in the island, but those kayaks are not free. Okay, for those who wanna take kayak, you need to pay for it. Okay, and of course we also have an snorkeling mask. That's free to use, but not to lose.
Kayaking here at the small lagoon, and si Samo lang pinagkakayak ko kasi syempre magbi-video ako at magpi-pictures. So swim siya doon mamaya.
Just like descent of learning. You feel like
Iniwan niya na po ako sa kayak. Ano lang po mag-isa dito, nagsiswimming na po siya doon. here at the Seven Commando Beach. And yeah, we were, kanina, yun, nandun kami sa Big Lagoon, but I was not able to capture the beauty of it. It's really beautiful. Ganda. Tapos, hindi masyadong crowded. I mean, may marami-raming tao, pero it's really nice to kayak around there. So, hindi ko dinala yung camera ko and lahat phone wala kasi umuulan. So, ayoko nang maglabas para mababasa. Hindi naman waterproof yung mga gamit ko. So, ayun, in-enjoy na lang namin yung view and it's so nice. And right now we are here at the 7 Commando Beach. So, we have time to swim here. So, we're gonna swim. Hello, Dogo.
Yeah, look, China.
Oh, just like Raishi. He likes it. So, it's dinner time for me and Samu, and nandito kami sa seaside, sa beach side. May mga hilera ng kainan dito, lalo doon, nandun yung mga baluto, mga seafoods, ganyan. Pero dito lang kami sa abot kaya ng aming budget. Yan, so in order namin is seafood pasta dito sa Happy Home Restaurant, seafood pasta, and mas mura yung mga meals nila. Wow, that's a massive seafood pasta. Additional food, may uwi sa hostel for Samu. Walking around Nido town and having our sweet. They have the biggest serving of gelato here, I think. Chocolate.
Cone for
Cone. Tapos, bali dalawa sa kanya. Naghahanap pa siya ng flavor.
It's so much hard to decide. Which one?
Coconut. Ube.
I can have one scoop of the white chocolate and a cone pizza scoop.
Yeah. Wait. So I got mint chocolate and it's really good, and Samu got speculoos cookies and it's so good. Right, Samu? It's so good.
Yes.
Can you give some for me too?
What?
Can you give some for me again?
Okay.
That's my favorite flavor. So good. So good, guys. Ayan. Diyan kami hindi nag-stay. Charot.